Welcome. Here at Security and Safety Things, we believe that cameras will become multi-purpose devices in the building and infrastructure industry, just as smartphones have become multi-purpose devices for consumers. In this series of solution demos, we would like to give you a first tour through the components of our pioneering IoT platform that enables this revolution. Our platform consists of the following main building blocks: an operating system built on open standards. Camera manufacturers can use it free of charge to power their IP cameras. A powerful software development environment that enables developers to efficiently create and distribute innovative applications. A pioneering application store, featuring smart AI apps that can be deployed to any camera running our OS. And a flexible device management that allows you to manage cameras and applications in on- and offline environments. Today, we would like to take you on a tour through the Security and Safety Things operating system. What you see here is the web interface of our OS, running on a camera. This is a plain vanilla OS. That is, all basic functionality that you expect from a camera OS is included. In addition, CMs can further customize and add differentiating features to make their products stand out from the competition. Overall, many standard camera features and the APIs of the cameras stay the same. That means, for you, that the behavior of the camera is similar, specifically regarding system integration. And that is of course a benefit when it comes to training your workforce. One thing that we want to highlight is the overview on CPU and RAM load on your camera. With this, you have an overview on the remaining capacity of your cameras, so that you can judge how many additional applications you can install. Across all those cameras from different CMs, apps from our application store can be installed. You can see and manage the applications in this section here. You can decide to uninstall, stop, or restart any application, and will see the immediate impact on CPU RAM capacity. We provide an open OS, which camera manufacturers can use and adapt free of charge. Compatibility of different camera brands running our OS is guaranteed. That is, apps from our store run on all these cameras and are managed consistently. Thanks for watching.